Welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Heather and I'm on the marketing team at Eagle Eye Networks. Today's webinar will be an overview and demonstration of our Sales Assistant app. If you have not yet downloaded the app, please check the Zoom chat box where we'll provide a link to both the Apple and Android download links so that you can navigate along with us. Before we get started, we also have the usual housekeeping. If you have any questions, please type them in the Zoom Q&A box at any time throughout the presentation, and we'll address them at the end of the webinar. This webinar is being recorded, so all of you who are registered will receive a follow-up email with a link to the full recording after the webinar. Now I'll go ahead and introduce your speaker for today. We have Charlotte Tyhouse. Charlotte is our marketing specialist for the Europe and Middle East region. Charlotte handles a lot of our web-based marketing and has become an expert in knowledge about the Eagle Eye Sales Assistant app to be able to give you a demonstration today. And with that, I'll go ahead and let Charlotte take over for the rest of the presentation.
Thank you, Heather, for your introduction, and thanks to everyone who attended this webinar. During this demonstration, I will do a walk through the application and highlight the key features of the app. As Heather already mentioned, if you have any questions during this demo or suggestions for additional features, please use the chat box. After the demo, we will take the time to answer the questions there. Just a quick overview if this is your first time hearing about Eagle Eye Networks. We were founded by Dean Draco in 2012. Some of you may know Dean from Barracuda Networks. Our main headquarters is in Austin, Texas, but we also have offices in Tokyo and Amsterdam. Today we are currently working in over 80 countries and pride ourselves in being the #1 in cloud video surveillance worldwide. So back to the Sales Assistant. The Eagle Eye Sales Assistant app has recently launched and is designed especially for our Eagle Eye certified partners to have all our Eagle Eye resources on the go. Our partners can now easily access all our materials at any time and anywhere. Whether you need to look up certain camera specifications, share brochures with your clients, or ask for assistance from the Eagle Eye team, it is all possible within the app. And since our official launch in July, the Eagle Eye Sales Assistant has now over 400 users. Some of the key features of the app. We have the product information and marketing material folders at the top of your screen. In the app, you are able to access all Eagle Eye documents like datasheets, specifications, brochures, and much more. In these libraries, you can find the information you are looking for even while being on site. And since the app launched back in July, our users have viewed over 1.3K documents in the app. But viewing the document is not the only benefit. Another feature we offer in this app is the possibility to download or share these documents with your fellow colleagues or clients. Simply click the icon in the top right corner and pick your preferred sharing method. Then we have the supported camera list. Are you planning an installation and wondering if the on-site cameras are compatible with Eagle Eye Cloud VMS? Simply walk through the list or use the search bar by typing in the camera model and see all our supported cameras. By clicking on the camera model, you will be directed to the specifications of that specific camera. You can also request sales assistance. With the Sales Assistance function, it will automatically set up an email for you where you can send in a quote, a project registration, or a demo. After sending in Sales Assistance, our sales team will shortly follow up with you. In addition to this, the Get Help button at the bottom of the screen will let you get in contact with either sales or support. Here you can directly give the team a call or send in a support ticket for non-urgent cases. The local phone numbers will be shown based on your location. Lastly, we have the Eagle Eye University. With this feature, you can either follow the online courses of the Eagle Eye University in the app, or you can sign up for our in-person training sessions near you. And that's a high-level overview of the Sales Assistant app. We highly encourage you to download it if you haven't already. And now I will let Heather take over again so we can answer any questions you may have.
Yes, thank you so much, Charlotte. We'll go ahead and transition to Q&A now. But if you have any more questions, now would be a great time to type them into the Q&A box section. First, I'll start with a few that have come through. First is, how do you get access to the Sales Assistant app? Do you need to register?
Well, you do need to register. If you download the app, you have to fill in your information. And if you are already a reseller of ours and in our CRM system, you will get automatic access to the app. If not, you will be provided access by your team. So you
Okay.
have to be a reseller.
Well, that's touching on this next question, which is that is this app something that could be shared with other audiences?
Well, for example, your colleagues, it can be shared with, of course. And it can be shared by clients, but then just use the sharing function for the documents, because the app itself is mainly for our resellers.
Definitely.
The documents can be shared with clients.
And in the future, would EEN consider adding the MSRP subscription rate tiers?
Well, we are working on building some more functions to get like quotes in the app as well, instead of sending sales assistants. So quote builders, etc., will all be added in the future. Same as for bandwidth calculators. It's on the roadmap.
Awesome. Okay. Well, thank you so much. We hope that you found this webinar educational, everyone. This application's purpose-built to be easy to use for your partner experience. But if you do have any other questions, feel free to reach out. This is our contact information and our email address if you still want to connect with us afterwards. Also, you can check your email. We'll have a recording of this pretty quick step-by-step guide and also a link so that you can download this app yourself. Thank you so much, Charlotte, for being our presenter today. And thank you everyone for being here.
Yeah, thank you, Heather, as well. And thank you for everyone who attended.